wondering right now, like, what the hell is this, right? I guess you're about to see right now.
Okay. Yeah. Sell them bitch niggas. Sell them bitch niggas. They ain't do nothing, so anything figure for. Okay. Okay. My swag been on. They took your swag from you, it got withdrawn. No Godfather, but I am the swag on. You bitch still ugly if you go to the salon. For all you bitch niggas don't know my name, Ray Sean. I got swag and I'm immaculate. Call it swag immaculate. All the girls love me, that's why they know my pogo stick. I'm a boss like bros, but I ain't Rick. To y'all niggas swag is hard to get. That's why you thug with it, but I don't care, bitch, cause my swag is crazy. You're so lazy, that's why y'all pussy ass motherfuckers pay me. Perk got me feeling all fucking hazy. I get money, you don't have no money. That's why your bitch ass try to take my swag from me. Sorry, that's gonna be hard to get. I try to warn you. Move, bitch. Move if you want it, if you want it, if you want to move, move if you want it, if you want it, if you want to move, move if you want it.